Those words can truly change the relationship between you and the others that you love. I'm sure you had many moments where you wanted to express your anger, your sadness, even your frustration with those that you loved and also your friends and family members. You might have had some moment where they never really understood you, or you feel that they truly deserve what they got. And after a while, you let out a word or two that suddenly just changes the whole scenario. You feel that one word changed the whole dynamic of that relationship with someone that you love. It takes a few words to either destroy or hurt people, or it can even inspire people to make them feel appreciated and loved by you. Let's face this fact. The negative words that come out of our mouth never really solves any of our problems. But the positive words that we speak out, that brings positive energy through our conflicts, that brings a little bit of joy, just something to tone down the anger or the frustration or even the sadness that we have with someone else. It can truly change the behaviors that we see with the other person, and they will start to comprehend and perhaps even listen to you while you speak. So speak out the words that will truly mean something to your loved one, and not things that will actually hurt them. You choose the words that come out of your mouth. Take care and God bless.